The Cascade Range in the northwest United States contains nearly 20 substantial volcanoes and thousands of separate volcanic vents. Volcanoes form when magma or molten rock beneath the Earth's crust reaches the surface. They typically form mountains or hills, often with a crater at the summit. There are several types of volcanoes. Lassen Peak stands at 10,457 feet. Its most recent eruption was in 1915. The landscape still shows scars from the explosion. This eruption marked the last major activity in the Cascade Range until Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980. Mount Shasta rises to 14,179 feet and is a potentially active stratovolcano. Its last significant eruption was in 1786. Shasta is unique for its multiple summits. Crater Lake in Oregon was formed by the collapse of Mount Mazama around 7,700 years ago. Crater Lake is the deepest lake in the United States with a depth of 1,949 feet. Newberry Volcano. Newberry's caldera holds two beautiful lakes, Paulina Lake and East Lake. These formed when the summit collapsed after a massive eruption around 75,000 years ago. The Three Sisters are three volcanic peaks in central Oregon. South Sister is the youngest and most likely to erupt again with the recent signs of volcanic unrest. Mount Jefferson is Oregon's second highest peak. Standing at 10,497 feet, Mount Jefferson has a rugged landscape with deep glacial valleys and steep, jagged ridges. Mount Hood stands at 11,240 feet and is Oregon's highest peak. Its last significant eruption was in the 1780s. Steam vents near the summit indicate ongoing geothermal activity. Mount Adams at 12,280 feet is the second highest peak in Washington. It has a broad summit and numerous lava flows. Its remote location makes it a peaceful retreat for hikers and nature lovers. Mount St. Helens in Washington is known for its catastrophic 1980 eruption. The eruption reduced the summit from 9,677 feet to 8,363 feet, creating a massive crater. Mount St. Helens remains an active volcano. At 14,411 feet, Mount Rainier is the tallest volcano in the Cascade Range. Its extensive glaciers and alpine meadows make it one of the most beautiful mountains in the United States. Glacier Peak is one of the most isolated volcanoes in the Cascade Range. Standing at 10,541 feet, Glacier Peak has erupted more frequently and explosively than any other Cascade volcano except Mount St. Helens. Mount Baker, located near the Canadian border in Washington, rises to 10,781 feet and is one of the snowiest places on Earth. Its last significant eruption was in the mid-19th century, but it remains an active stratovolcano with ongoing activity. The Cascade Range displays the ever-changing nature of our planet. These volcanoes highlight the incredible power of Earth's geological processes.